Hey, what's happening, sports fan?
This is my new video camera, champ. I'm gonna make a video that will help people learn how to make new friends.
Wow! Can I be in it? I always wanted to be in a video.
Sure, Cheer. You can all be in it. After all, friends are what it's all about.
So what do you want us to do?
I want everyone to think of the best way to make new friends. Then I'll videotape them.
Great idea, sports fans!
With the help of my friends, I'll make the best video ever!
Oh, my life's been so miserable since Shrieky came here.
Oh, ta-da! Well, Beastly, how do you like my new outfit?
Yo, I just love Halloween.
It's not Halloween!
Oh, no, not that!
Beastly in the corner pocket!
Yeah! Yow!
Laugh at me again, Furball, and I'll have a beastly coat for my vacation!
Vacation? You're going on a vacation? When? I'll help you pack. Don't forget to write.
Slow down! I deserve a vacation for putting up with you!
Oh, yeah, Shrieky! A long, long one.
But I'm not going until I get rid of that good-for-nothing Care Bear team!
I'll get you those Care Bears for a going-away present. I'll just use one of my great ideas.